Yo, what's up, boy? What to do? Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? Fucking shit. That was a pretty good trade. Quick 200 bucks. Like, 200 ticks is huge. From up here to here, bottom ticket out. Not really, but like around here, you know? Shit. I'll take one micro for 200 bucks. Anytime, bro. I just saw that like huge order came in on the order book to absorb all of these buyers. Buyers failed to push up. And damn, I know I had to get in, you know? Let me hop on Discord. I had to get in. Like there was a big buyers getting absorbed right here. And buyers came up around right here, just right under the sellers. The low volume note right here. And seller defend again. I know I just had to hop in right there. Bam, bam, bam. Here, let me show y'all the book map. So like this is the huge buyers came in right here. They get absorbed. Buyers trying to push it up, but sellers just right at this low volume note, they defend it again. And when price come down right here, hopping right away, stop loss just above this sellers, like risk about 60 bucks. And bam, 200 bucks within like 9 minutes. I was consolidating a little bit before the big drop. Today, I'm gonna try to do small size even on the big account. Like, damn, bro, we stay disciplined now. Today, look, small size. When I do small size, I'm not gonna lose because I don't get emotions. That's the thing. But when I do big size, I'm being greedy. And when I'm in loss, do I just disrespect my stop loss and throw it out the window? And that's why I always blow up with big size. Like anything above 2 minis, I'm gonna blow. My size limit right now is like 2 minis the max. That my brain can handle. But above that, dude, I cannot. Like there's a part of me like always want to do big size, but it's it's not good. Today I went in. At first I went in one mini, and then I scaled in another one. I was up like 1K profit, set stop loss to break even, and I got break even now, and that was good. It was a scalping trade, and it stopped me out right around here. So I
Sorry, Nick.
got the
Who?
first one about up here was in 450, profit. Here, let me go to 1 minute. What's in like 450 profit? Price come up here. I added in another one. Price was down here. Profit around 800 to 1K, and then stop me. I'll break even, and I'll take that. Yeah, I do see the chat. I do see the chat today. Come on now, my man. Ah, uh, price coming up to the sellers who break price down, which is around 500 to '06, which is around right here, and they defending right now. Buyers getting absorbed, so might be able to hop in another short right here. Dude, I honestly I would hop in a short up here if I was looking at the chart earlier. But damn, I'm too late. I don't want to chase this down. But it's a good sign. Sellers defending just right at the 4 or 500, which is like right at the sellers. NQ, we have some big buys at the 4 600. Let's see if they're gonna hold or if it's gonna break. 4 600 is the key level right now. And then Q. Market open in 13 minutes. Let's wait a little bit. I'm already locked out. Oh, yeah. I got the payout and funded next, but fuck. This firm is fucking like scamming shit. Dude, I do so small size. And guess what? I don't have a stop loss and they call it like hold on, let me see. But my size is so small, so if I don't have a stop loss, like in 3 minutes, they're gonna count that as like 100% risk to the account. So they took 50% of my profit out, the payout. Like what the fuck? Look, my size so small. I'm not even doing one lot. And they count all of this as like 100% risk to the account and take 50% off of this total profit, which is insane. So I only got like 700 bucks. And it's my first ever CFD account too. I never done CFD before. And this is my first ever account. And they did this to me. Like, damn, look, I requested 1100 bucks. 31 days for just 700 bucks? Like what the hell, bro? It's my first and ever fucking CFD account. Oh, this is a new cycle already, but I got the certificate for the payout and the crown. So this is for CFD, and they only pay me 700, which is insane. For 31 days. 10 days? 10 days for fucking like two faces and 21 days to get payout. Like once you get funded, you need to trade 21 days. Yeah, funded next. Like what the hell? And I also got payout with the futures account, which is this one. I got $800 payout from futures. But dude, that's insane. But like Topstep and funded Alpha Futures legit. They pay me out every time exactly that amount. Yeah, funded next. Yeah, dude, I didn't even know that rules. Yeah, futures usually more legit than CFD, to be honest. So there's the payout on Alpha, and I trade more in Topstep, so I get more payout on Topstep. And this is Topstep. I get payout 2 pages. Legit. Dude. But this is my first ever experience with like, CFD. And I didn't even know that rule. Like, dude, I play so small size. And I have 5K in drawdown and I don't even do one lot. And they call that a 100% risk to the account. Which is insane, you know? But dude, okay, so I'm on my second cycle right now, which is this time it's only 14 days until payout. I'm always have a stop loss with all of my trades. I'm gonna fucking like milk this firm. Let's see if they have any other excuse this time, you know? Because like I've heard a lot of people on X talking about funded next being like hidden rules and stuff, and they call them out. Let me see. Let me search up funded next scam. Be aware of funded next. Copy trading is strictly prohibited. So this guy's saying, accusing me of copy trading, but the proof they sent was completely fake. After calling them out, they finally gave me the funded account. I traded for 2 to 3 days, hit 10% profit target, then stopped trading. No reason to risk the account. Then they hit me with something new. 2 days after not trading, I got email saying I violated their margin law. But I've seen people like, you know, talk about fund next. But I rarely see someone talk about Topstep when it comes to payout, you know? The only offer to pay him 40% only. Yeah, a lot. But I never seen Topstep or Alpha Futures talking about people talking about scam, you know? Yeah, Topstep, like the platform is pretty, you know, pretty laggy sometimes, but you know, they legit with the payout, so I do give them credit for that. And Alpha Futures, which is like I've already got payout from. I got payout from Boonox. I got payout from Top One. What else? Let me see. Future firms. Some of the firm I might forget. So Top One, I got payout Top One funded next, but Alpha Futures not my funded futures not yet. I don't know, bro. Like I cannot do my funded futures. Like I just hate trade of eight. I cannot pass account on trade of eight, like which is crazy. Cause like, dude, it's not as like the when you get in a trade, it's not as clean as when you're on Project X, and I'm not used to it. Boonox, Boonox, I got max payout on Boonox, but the rules is pretty tough on Boonox. Blue Guardian, I haven't got payout. I passed funded, I passed and got funded, but I haven't got payout. 5 minutes. We're currently in this low volume note, this gap right here, this open gap, like 2 days ago. So let's see, but 600 is the key. Let's just chill and watch the market. Let's see how market. Yeah, project that, cause like, you know, when you get into a trade, everything is just so quick. Like, you know, you slide up and down, and you can track everything, which is like really good, right? I locked out this 50K account. I'm trying to stay disciplined for now. We disciplined this month. New month, new me. You know, even 100K account, 4K drawdown. I still trade fucking two micros max. New month, new me. Yeah, right. Blockchain is like more friendly, user friendly like platform. But I hope one day Topstep will fix all the, you know, all the bugs, and it's gonna be the top one. You know. Yes, sir. Gotta keep up the discipline, bro. I cannot be, you know, it's about to be new year, new me, you know? Fuck it. And look, I have 4K drawdown, but I don't do more than two micros for now, you know? And I'm about to take a payout on Alpha. I'll just reach 1K, 1.2K, I'll take a payout. Because max loss limit don't move, I don't care. If I take 500 out, I'll still have 3,500 to trade with. Ha! Yes, sir, bro. Like yesterday, I took a loss, two loss, right, and then I stopped. And today, I make 345. Earlier today, I was like down $50, and I'm up. for the rest of the day, baby. You know, when I do small size, my stat look normalized, right? Like really stable. But when I'm on big size, dude, I blew 6K balance, which is I can pay out and using that money for like fucking 20, 30 accounts. Instead, I fucking go in 5 minis and bam, everything gone. Come on now. Why am I being dumb? Because when you play big size, you're gonna get used to it. You're gonna get used to the feeling of winning big, and you will always come back to that. Even though like your account size not for that. For 50K account, even like with 6K balance, like in reality, it's just 6K. In order for you to do a micro, you need at least 10K, bro. I mean like mini, if it's your personal account. I'll try out FTMO for sure, but like price, it's a little bit too much, you know, for a two phase. I want to get, you know, a 25 50K account, but like, dude, it's 345 euros. How much is that? 400 bucks. Come on now, bro. For 5K drawdown? You kidding me? And you gotta do two faces? Let me check 5 Earths. The 5 Earth. I want to do two faces. I don't want to do one step because with CFD, it's gonna be so expensive. 60K plan. How much is it? How can I check the price? Where do I check the price? Oh, this is futures. Oh, futures coming on the 5 Earths. No way. Hold on, let me sign up for this. I'm tuned in. I'm tuned in. Come on now. I'm tuning in for the futures. Oh, no way. Five Earths futures? Hell yeah. But I want to see what's the price on the 60K account right here. Oh, market is open. Oof. Let's see how the market do right here. Do. Wow, market ripping. See. Crypto still hasn't moved. Wow. Look at NQ. Yo. Woo. Boys. Dude, as soon as open, we went up like 473 ticks, 100 points plus. Wow. Yo, I can't do anything right here. I just have to watch. But let's check the 5 Earths. 300 bucks. Yeah, this seems good for the 5 Earths. This is good. Well, let's see 3 steps for 250K account. Yo, but the 5 or 2 step is good. You get 6K drawdown. And the rules is easier than FTMO too. You only have to make 8% profit target. FTMO is like 10%. This is good. The 5 is good. But wow. NQ. NQ go up. Bitcoin gotta go up, right? Come on now, Bitcoin. Go about to dump right here. Yeah, I was trying to short gold, but I was a little bit skeptical. It's all good. Wow. What in the world, NQ? If I go in, my stop loss gotta be down here, which is I'm not willing to put my stop loss down there, you know? There's no. Yeah, I'm not willing to go in. This is big risk. Might try out 5 micros though. I don't have 50K count. My stop loss have to be down here. I'll try it out. Let's see. Take me to the moon. Nice W. W, bro. 2 minis. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, this is. I'm not going big size right now because I need my stop loss to be down here. We don't have. This is just a big candle up. No structure yet. So I don't. This is the only place I can place my stop loss right now. Until a new candle's showing up right here. Take me to the moon. To the absolute moon. Let's see. I'm gonna try my stop loss. I don't know how much we're gonna go up. This shit might just flip down. Up to 100 right now. I'm gonna risk 100 bucks. Fuck it. I'll take 2 out. We got some profit for the day, you know? Buyers kind of struggle a little bit right here. A huge seller just came in right at this top. So, dude, if we can push above them, bro, easily like to the high. But right now, like buyers trying. But I have to take some right there at this resistance right here, which is where the big sellers came in. I'll take that out. And I'll add more in again once we break above. Let's see if this seller is gonna fail. And bam, bro, like this shit's just gonna squeeze up. But let's see how's crypto doing. Crypto's still not doing anything. Come on, crypto, pull up. I would love to see crypto going up too. I took another one out. Gonna come up, recheck again. Just to be safe. Discipline, discipline, boys. You know, just quick scalp. We take good profit. SPY is really kind of. Yeah, fivers. Yeah, I might try it out. I already took most of my profit up here. I'm good. If I even if I got break even right here, I'm good. Cause my initial risk was like 500, you know. So I have to be like, if I'm in profit, I gotta take that shit. It's like it's just one big candle up without any like any structure supported. So something go up too quick, it might flip back up, back down quick if no real demand in. So right now, what they're trying to do is like to see like if they create demand up here, support up here. So if right here they support, you know, this safe, it's gonna keep going up. So that's why I take quick profit because it's not just gonna shoot one straight up. But if it does, that's insane. People gotta take profit and trap buyers up here. They also take profit too, right? We have overhead supply, you know. People up here who've been getting trapped, they're gonna as soon as they get break even, they've been in here for a while, they might think of getting out, and people down here are also trying to take profit. So there are multiple participants in here. So people like who get trapped up here, they might sell or like you know um people who went long right here, they're gonna sell it out, and down here maybe we find demand again and it's whole, then we go back up. But we have overhead supply. Explain about the dom. I'm not using this dom. It's just like I don't know why. It's not reliable. That dom is not reliable at all. I just wanna, cause for a reliable dom you gotta use a level 2. But bookmap is basically dom. It's basically the dom right there. You know. So bookmap, this I'm gonna explain it. So you have dom, right, and you have what's it called, time and sales. Where's time and sales? Time and sales, right? So time and sales is gonna be the bubbles on the chart you're gonna see. Yeah, there's footprint chart on bookmap, but it's not good. It's hard to use. So time and sales is basically the bubble you see on the chart on the bookmap. So green means buy, you know, um red means sell. But instead of looking at number, you just look at the bubbles. It's easier. And volume over here, basically, it is SVP chart, you know, volume profile chart on bookmap. And bid size is just, you know, the current order book right there on bookmap. I can put on bid size and ad size on bookmap, but it's gonna be too much. I'm just gonna put current order books like where most of the orders stack up, you know? So it's just basically that. You know, this is SVP chart on bookmap. You know, the volume profile, which is, let me pull that on for you, volume profile. If you look at bookmap, you're gonna see it. See, this is range. I can change it to session, you know, SVP. It's the same thing. And instead of like looking at the DOM, you can easier visualize with bookmap. The DOM is more complicated. So bookmap, they made it to solve that problem. Like, well, like, you know, DOM, you need experience to read it. Because things move quick. It's the same thing. So without bookmap, you need to look at both the DOM and the time and cells, not just the DOM, you know, not the orders. Tray, not tray. Here we go. Hell yeah, I'll teach you more. So basically, when you learn bookmap, it's basically you learning the DOM. And once you understand bookmap, it's easier for you to use the DOM. But that's not necessary to use the DOM when you have bookmap. The reason why I pay bookmap is because you know I can read order faster than using the DOM. Why would I use the DOM when I have bookmap? I pay because it solved that problem. Like you can read the DOM faster. That's why I pay for it. That's gotta be why reason why I pay for it. You know. I cannot use. Oh my God. Can I use rectangle? Art shift R, and it's not working. Let me try on here. It's not working either. I cannot use the shortcut for rectangle anymore. What the hell? Oh, it's stop me out break even and push back up. Okay, I do see buyers trying to offer price higher right here. You know, let's see if we break above right here. And again, the reason why this we call resistance, there's always a reason because there was a lot of trap buyers up here. And also we have sellers right here. The big sellers get in. So when price get back up, this buyers who was in a loss, they might, you know, take break even, and sellers right here get in more. You know, that's why they call it resistant. Resistant mean overhead supply. And the reason why like all time high you shouldn't short because like above there's no one getting trapped. So it's in price discovery mode, right? And so down here we have like you see sellers right here, right? There's sell volume right here. So the sellers down here they might get out break even. That's why price move up right here. So it's demand and supply, and you gotta watch and see who's in control right now. And right now buyers is trying to pressure this sellers right here. Also like this buyers right here getting out, you know, trying to take risks off, get break even or something. That's why price kind of consolidate right here for a little bit. But this is a good sign when you see price consolidate at resistance. That's mean like every time price dip down, someone buy back in, you know, and that's really good. It's showing support. So that's a high chance we breaking this resistance. We come up to this resistance with speed, right? And Price touch it, recheck, and buy showing support. That's really good. Good signs for this to break out. And right here, you can see like the big seller get in, but they all get absorbed. Look, they sell down and buyers support it. Like this is big sellers, you know? So it's a good sign. This might break out. It might, high chance breaking out. But I'm gonna wait for the breakout, you know? And if you draw like a SVB chart, like if I go right here and if I use SVB chart, I don't know, but it seems like it's gonna break out for me because like we come up to, you know, resistance or value high if I put on the SVP chart right here with speed and we consolidating at that value high. That's mean buy supporting, you know. Look, this is value high of previous day, you know, and we got above it with speed and big buyers. And I'm thinking like 80% we're gonna break out. 80%, I'm telling you, to this high. Morning, Luis. 80% we're gonna break out, and we're already breaking out when I was talking right here. But I think we're gonna go to this high. To be honest, by showing support. I do want to get back in. Oh, I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour to close, and I'm trying to get back in. To be honest, it's looking good. Getting some right here. It's 3 micros for now. I really want to wait to see this 1 hour candle close. Buyers hitting on the ask. Let's go. We need some more. Like I see, you know, Salah keep hitting on the bid, but they keep getting absorbed. They're not getting reward right now, which is pretty bad for them. So, but again, like it's at a pretty high price right now. That's why I'm in 3 micros. Okay, a big Salah is just down band. Let's see if they get absorbed or not. More sellers getting in now. They're getting absorbed. Like big sellers right here, get in, but you know, someone's holding. You need to see like when sellers come in, it's got followed with like big dump. Okay. Showing support again. Absorptions again. If we break this low, I would get out because I'm only in 3 micros for now. If we break the high, dude, I'm adding more. Just auction. But I think this low is gonna get protect right here. This is where I want my stop loss to be honest with y'all. So like, yeah, I'll do 250. Yep, buy showing support again. Sellers did get absorbed again. why big sellers coming in, but price fell to going down. Just same scenario with gold. A couple days ago, big sellers come in, but still, why price keep going up? You know. So let's see. Can pressure the sellers over here. We're gonna get a nice squeeze up. Buyers trying, pressuring them like higher, you know, higher low force resistance. That's really good. We're pinching them sellers in. I might get in on my funded next though. Let's see though. CVD is just basically like you know, market. It's like basically the red and green bubbles. Like right now, CVD is negative 1700, right? That means that's 1700 market sell orders more than buy. And price divergence, like when you see like CVD going down but price going up, that's pretty much kind of bullish divergence right there. Because that's mean like sellers getting absorbed, you know. And look, you can see the diverges. CVD going down, but price making higher high. That's mean like sellers really getting absorbed. I might get stopped out right here. They start getting reward now. Start pushing down. Okay, I'll take that 250 loss, but I still think we're gonna break out. To be honest, I think I kind of greedy with that entry right there. Let's see how the hourly candle close. 4 minutes. I do think we break out though, so I might have a good run right here on CFD. Let's see how much willing to risk. I'm waiting to see like if the is gonna break down right here. A lot of sellers getting in, and they're getting a reward, which is pretty good for them sellers right now. It's not a good idea right now to get in long. I'll try along with $100 risk on the CFD account. Trying to go for higher. But you know what? I might go for 200 risk though. Because I have 5k drawdown, right? Okay. There should be no reason why I risk 100 on a 5k. So I look pretty aggressive right now, so I'm not sure if I should get in another 0.2 lot right there. Pretty tough decisions for me right now. Sorry. Let's be patient a little bit. I want to see price get above 700 again before I add it on CFD right here. I need to see some buys show up. Seller is getting absorbed, but still I don't see no buyers yet, so it's kind of risky. Above 700, we'll see some buyers getting in. Alright, hourly candle close. Yeah, I want to see price get above 700 right here before I add more in. $700 on futures. $700 is getting protected. You know what I mean? Like, we go up quick, we go down quick. That's why. This is why I don't add in yet. I need it to get above 700 to be honest. You know, I need some confirmation to add in. Showing like buyer support. You know, right now we're making trying to hold right there and then like making a lower low. So it's not safe to add in right now. And it's fine if I'm stop out with $98 loss. I was gonna risk 200 bucks. It's too risky right there for me to add in. Based on what I'm seeing on Bookmap, even though this hourly candle obviously closed so bullish, right? But based on Bookmap, it does not look bullish. Sellers, like huge sellers getting in, they're getting reward. But earlier they was not getting reward. And then like right around right here, when price breakdown, you know, I know like sellers finally like taking control over. Up here, buyers still in control, and I was confident, but right down here, I got to change my bias quick. I got stop out right there, 98 bucks. But that was a good decision right there. And a lot of people think like hourly candle close up bullish right like this, like they couldn't flip like back down to here. That's wrong. But they can. And look, even 30 minutes candle, we still have a long wick above. But dude, Bookmap show me otherwise. I cannot add in. So that was a good loss. W trade, you know, W trade. That stop loss was good. Like it's already to the max. $89 loss is pretty good in my opinion. Damn, go just dump. Go dumb, go dumb, go dumb and Q dumb. Doesn't make sense. Let's see crypto. Crypto dump. Usually gold is like a risk off asset. It should be correlate with NQ. Like move the opposite, but when they're moving together, something is wrong. And I know a lot of people like chasing this long and remove their stop loss because they think ain't no way this shit gonna flip bearish, and it did, which is insane, right? Look at this. This look like a rug pull, right? So damn. I just don't like to be above here. Now we patient, y'all. Let's see how we're gonna test 2 days ago. It might come down here retest 2 days ago manual error. So let's see. Or previous week manual high too. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Down here finally some buyers getting in again. Finally some presence of buyers. But I don't like to trade in this range. Get below manual low and recheck backed up. Buys get absorbed. Sellers step back in. So I might hop in for a short. Breakdown below here. To 600. Oh shit, why am I in minis? No! Oh, I'm fucked, y'all. I'm so lucky. No. Took 200 bucks lost. What? That's insane. Dude, why did I take 200 bucks lost? Might have to get out. Push back above 650 right here. But damn, bro, that's 200 bucks lost was dumb. It's all good though. It could have been more. If buyers get in right here and push above 650, I need to get out. Yo, why did I take 200 loss? I gotta chill. I'm 500 for the day. Oh, big buyers getting in, getting back in. We do see support down there. try this again. Might fund the next account. It's 200 bucks. You gotta go in small side first. Somebody down 500 for the day on this account. If we break above 700, this shit definitely gonna go up. We holding? There's 250 bucks still. Nice. Why can we squeeze above 700 right here? add in more on this account. With this one, my one just was about 50 bucks. And 7 contracts right now. Damn, I hope sell buys push up right here because a huge side just got in, but gonna get absorbed. 192 orders got in at the 25,683. Might not buyers. Dude, they got absorbed. Sellers got in. Might not buyers. Support it. Give me a good squeeze. Yeah, if we break this high, I'm adding 3 more. Topstep right here. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day here. Damn, market consolidating. And dude, the open was insane, so I'm gonna call it a day, y'all. I'll take 700 bucks loss. And dude, I'll see y'all next stream. That 5 minis trade was kind of fucked me up a little bit right there. I didn't mean to go in 5 minis. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. It's already 9:30, which is market is about to be dead soon. Not a lot of volume gonna be